Yes, children, can you tell me what is this? Frock. This one, jacket. Next picture, sweater. Yes or no? What are these, children? Yes, these are clothes. Some of the different clothes that we wear, like frocks, skirts, isn't it? Shorts, jackets, salwar, kameez, and kurta. Some members wear coats. All these are the different types of clothes. In before class we have learned about house and rooms of house, isn't it? Yes. Today we are going to discuss about new topic about clothes. What is the topic today? Clothes. We should able to explain need of clothes. Okay? Need of topic is need of clothes. Now I'm going to tell you a small story. Before that, tell me, do you know frock, jacket, sweater? Why do we use that one? Every day we are using that clothes. See now, all these are different types of clothes, isn't it? Yes. Some we wear in some particular time only. Every day we are using the sweaters, children? No. So, these are the clothes which we use in different seasons. Okay. Before going to start, I will tell you one story. See here. One boy named Sanjay. What is that boy name? Sanjay. This day today was that Sanjay's birthday. So he got some gift from their family members. Amma gave t-shirt, long sleeves to keep the sun away when he was playing cricket. When the Sanjay was playing cricket, he should be away from the sunlight. That's why his mother gave him t-shirt and with long sleeves. Okay. And his papa gave him pair of pants to keep the body clean when he was playing in the park. When the Sanjay wants to play in the park, he should wear this pair of pants was picked by the father. The father thought he should wear this pant when he was playing in the park. And his grandma also gave him pair of pajamas. Pair of pajamas. Why does grandmother give pair of pajamas means? To keep the mosquitoes away in the night. We wear pajamas in the night time, isn't it, children? That's why that grandma gave pajama not to bite the mosquitoes to his grandson. And grandpa gave sweater to keep him warm. And his grandfather gave him a sweater, okay, to keep him warm. But see here, Sanjay at last what he did? He wear the old pair of the t-shirt and old pair of the shorts and he wear a new t-shirt. Why he wear this one means he was comfort and it is the best to his body. He thought that he wear the old pair of short and new t-shirt. Okay children, what you understood here? His parents gave different types of clothes to him, but at last he wore old short and new t-shirt. Why his mother gave t-shirt with long sleeves? Yes, if we wear the long sleeves and go out, the sunrises will not fall on us easily. Isn't it, children? Yes. And his papa also gave full pair of pants. If we wear full pants, our body will be neat and clean. Anything will not fall on our body. Isn't it, children? That's why his papa gave pair of pants and while he was playing in the park. Grandmother gave pajamas not to bite the mosquitoes. Grandpa gave sweater to keep his grandson warm. Okay. Now tell me, children, why do we need clothes first of all? Why do we need clothes? And why do clothes protect us? How that clothes protect us? Yes, see here children, our clothes will learn detailing about this. Okay, children? Now tell me, why do we wear clothes? To protect our body. From where we are getting these clothes from? Yes, clothes are made up of cotton, wool. Where do we get wool from? Sheep. Yes or no? Yes, we get wool from sheep. We know this one. Yes or no? Yes. Cotton, wool, silk, leaves, and some skin of other animals also we are getting the clothes. Now tell me, what is the need of the clothes? Mainly the clothes are helpful to us to protect our body. For what, children? To protect our body. Now take the textbooks.
Yes, children, open your textbook. Page number 24. Keep the finger. Need for clothes. We wear clothes to protect us from the cold, heat, and rain. We also cover ourselves with clothes. We wear different kinds of clothes every day. Yes, you can see here one picture. See here, children. Clothing. Dresses and skirts. What are the dresses and skirts? See carefully. Dress, skirt, kurta pajama, sari. Next, trousers and jeans. Jeans, shorts, trousers. Sleeping time. Pajamas, dressing gown, night dress. Next, coats and jackets. Winter coat, raincoat, fur coat, coat, and waistcoat. Next one, shirts and t-shirts. Shirt, top, polo, cardigan, t-shirt, blouse. Different types of clothes. Now open your volume, children. Yes, write the date. Page number 21, write the date. See the first one. Needs for clothes. Name the clothes shown in the picture. You have given 3 pictures here. Example also they have given. First one is shirt. You want to write B and C. Okay. Now see the second one. Why do we wear clothes? Yes, why do we wear clothes, children? Write the answer. Third one. Is this boy wearing clothes? See that picture. That boy wear the clothes. Why do you think so? If yes, you write the reason. If no also, you should write the reason. Shall I give one clue, children? See, that looks like a dun. Isn't it, children? And that is the language we don't know. Is it English? Is it Telugu? Is it Hindi? No, we don't know that language. But he is writing something on the wall. So maybe this boy is Asian boy. Means olden years. Okay, children? Now you should write the answer. Okay, Nana. Do Asian people have the clothes like us, children? Yeah, no, they don't have. Then what do they used to wear? Yes, they used to wear by hunting the animals. They wear the animals' skin, isn't it? That is the answer. Okay, children.